How to start a successful shawarma business and pineapple juice business in Africa. Let's start with a successful shawarma business. Shawarma is more than just a meal. It's a culinary experience that combines the rich flavors of the Middle East with the vibrant street food culture of Africa. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to kickstart your own shawarma business, from the essential machines to effective marketing strategies. The popularity of shawarma has soared across Africa in recent years. Whether in Lagos, Nairobi, or Johannesburg, shawarma has become a favorite, offering a quick, delicious, and affordable meal option. So, how can you tap into this growing market? Let's find out. Before diving into the shawarma business, it's crucial to understand your market. Conducting thorough market research will help you identify your target audience, their preferences, and the competition. Visit existing shawarma spots, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, and survey potential customers to understand their tastes and expectations. The location of your shawarma business is key to its success. Choose a high-traffic area where your target customers are likely to frequent. Whether it's a street-side kiosk, a food truck, or a small restaurant, your setup should be convenient, visible, and accessible. The heart of any shawarma business is the grill machine. The vertical rotisserie is the traditional choice, slowly roasting marinated meat to perfection. You'll need to choose between gas and electric models depending on your location and power availability. Gas models are more portable, while electric ones offer more consistent heat control. Slicing the meat thinly and evenly is crucial for authentic shawarma. While a sharp knife can do the job, investing in a meat slicer can save time and ensure consistency, especially during peak hours. Apart from the grill, you'll need various preparation tools, mixers for marinades, cutting boards for vegetables, and stainless steel bowls for mixing. Also, consider investing in quality serving equipment like trays, wraps, and containers to enhance the customer experience. Proper storage is vital to maintain the freshness of your ingredients. Invest in commercial refrigerators and freezers to store meat, vegetables, and sauces. Organized storage not only extends shelf life, but also keeps your kitchen running smoothly. To manage sales efficiently, a reliable point-of-sale (POS) system is essential. It helps track orders, manage inventory, and streamline transactions, ensuring a smooth operation during busy periods. The quality of your ingredients is the cornerstone of your shawarma's success. Choose high-quality meats like chicken, beef, or lamb and marinate them with a blend of spices, cumin, coriander, garlic, and more. Experiment with recipes to find the perfect balance that will set your shawarma apart. Marination is where the magic happens. Allow your meat to soak in the spices and flavors for several hours or even overnight to ensure a rich, flavorful taste. Proper marination is key to achieving that authentic shawarma flavor. Cooking the shawarma requires skill and attention. The meat should be cooked slowly with the outer layers shaved off as they become crispy and golden brown. This technique ensures the meat remains juicy on the inside while developing a deliciously crisp exterior. Consistency is key to building a loyal customer base. Establish daily routines for preparation, cooking, and cleaning. Implement quality control measures to ensure every shawarma served meets your high standards. Effective marketing is essential to attract customers. Develop a strong brand identity with a catchy name, logo, and packaging. Use social media to showcase your food, engage with customers, and announce promotions. Word of mouth is powerful. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and recommend your shawarma to others. As your business grows, consider expanding your menu. Introduce new items like shawarma wraps, platters, and other Middle Eastern favorites. Offering seasonal specials and limited-time offers can keep your menu exciting and attract repeat customers. Starting a successful shawarma business in Africa is an exciting venture that combines culinary creativity with business acumen. Remember, quality ingredients, consistent service, and effective marketing are the pillars of success. Keep experimenting with flavors, engage with your customers, and always aim for excellence. Congratulations! If you have made it so far, please type pineapple juice on the comment bar so that I will know you have made it up to here. Starting a successful pineapple juice business in Africa might not be easy, but we will help you. Pineapple juice is not only refreshing, but also a growing favorite across the continent. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know, from essential machines to effective marketing strategies, to turn this tropical fruit into a profitable venture. With its sweet and tangy flavor, pineapple juice is gaining popularity as a healthy and refreshing drink. As demand for natural and organic beverages rises, there's no better time to dive into the pineapple juice business. Before launching your business, it's important to understand the market landscape. Conduct a thorough feasibility study to identify your target audience, understand their preferences, and analyze the competition. This groundwork will help you determine the viability of your business idea and shape your strategy. The first step in pineapple juice production is peeling and coring the fruit. Investing in a pineapple. Peeling and coring machine can save time and reduce labor costs, especially if you're processing large quantities. These machines are designed to handle pineapples of various sizes, efficiently removing the peel and core. Once peeled and cored, the pineapples are ready for crushing. The crushing machine breaks down the fruit to prepare it for juice extraction. The extracted juice can then be filtered to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a smooth, high-quality product. For larger operations, consider a continuous juicer for increased efficiency. To ensure your pineapple juice has a longer shelf life and is safe for consumption, it needs to be pasteurized. Pasteurization involves heating the juice to a specific temperature to kill harmful bacteria while preserving its flavor and nutritional value. Depending on your scale, you can choose from batch or continuous pasteurizers. Packaging plays a significant role in the success of your product. Bottling machines come in various sizes and capacities, allowing you to fill and seal bottles quickly and efficiently. Consider investing in a labeling machine to brand your bottles effectively, making them stand out on the shelves. Proper storage is essential to maintain the quality of your pineapple juice. Invest in commercial refrigeration units to store your juice before distribution. An organized storage system will help you manage inventory and reduce waste. Managing your sales efficiently is key to smooth operations. A reliable POS system helps you track sales, manage inventory, and process transactions quickly. Choose a system that suits your business size and offers features like customer management and reporting. The quality of your juice starts with the quality of your pineapples. Select ripe, sweet pineapples with a golden color and firm texture. The right fruit will yield a juice that is naturally sweet and bursting with flavor. Extracting the juice is just the beginning. To enhance the flavor, you can experiment with small amounts of natural sweeteners or mix in other fruits like mango or passion fruit. However, the pure, fresh taste of pineapple is often best left untouched. While pasteurization is necessary for shelf life, it's important to monitor the process carefully to retain the juice's fresh taste and nutritional value. Finding the right balance between heat and time is key. Starting a food business involves navigating various legal requirements. Ensure you obtain the necessary licenses, health permits, and certifications before you start selling. Compliance with local food safety regulations is crucial to avoid fines and build a reputable brand. Once your product is ready, it's time to distribute. Start with local shops, supermarkets, and cafes. Building strong relationships with retailers can help ensure your juice is prominently displayed and regularly stocked. As your business grows, consider expanding to regional markets or even exporting your juice internationally. This will require careful planning, including understanding logistics, export regulations, and market demand in other regions. To meet increasing demand, you'll need to scale up production. This might involve upgrading to larger machines, expanding your production facility, and hiring more staff. Always plan for scalability to ensure smooth growth. Starting a successful pineapple juice business in Africa is a rewarding venture that combines passion with entrepreneurship. Remember, the quality of your juice, effective marketing, and consistent operations are the foundations of success. Stay dedicated, keep subscribe, share, and click the notification bell.